through of Snapwire and let's see what it's all about. And they claim they can pay you $75 to any video, any photo uploaded to this site. Now this is my account, and I can see there are several activities for you, for photographers, marketplace manager, and you can do some settings at the same time. Now when you are signing up, as we said earlier before, you can use your Facebook account or just register yourself using your email address, and it's simple and direct. You don't have to do more of difficult situations. It's free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. No experience needed for you to cash out your money or to upload videos on this site and the app itself. There are different challenges here. As you can see, the newest one, highest paying, ending soon, and then review and close ones and participating. You can check around and navigate on this app and see how it pays yourself. Now can I check my activities, and then we see how it's all about? Not yet, because this is just a new account. Let's see on the marketplace what's there. Now here, if you want to purchase most of these most of these images, there are several here. As you can see from here, millions and thousands of images have been uploaded here, and they're quite nice, beautiful images. Can you do this? Then if you have that power to do all these and upload here, as a photographer, you'll have more money on yourself. Whenever someone uploads or someone likes your video, your photos, and downloads them, you'll get paid $75. These are some of the photographers on this app. As you can see here, people from different world, all over the world, they have signed up and they're using this app to make videos. Let's check the leaderboard. We have the first one, the pro Connor Patterson from different world. As you can see, there are many of them. You can scroll down over and over again, but we have the top 20 best photographers in the world over here. Which one are you following? Do you want to follow them? Then you can see their photos. You can do that at the same time. Now if you are a photographer or you signed up as a photographer, you can check around and see the challenges that are here. One of the winners of Peter's Choice is paid $75, and it's going for 35 days. Now you can choose to go and also be. Now this is the creative brief of what it's all about, this challenge. White shoes, green grass, coolers in the back of the cart, a perfect day in the green. Take us golfing with you for this challenge. Good luck, and watch out for the pond. Requirements: it has to be natural and outside. The skills or the requirements are not that hard. You can do that with your smartphone, or if you have a good camera, you can do this. You upload there. You see, very many people have uploaded their videos, their images here, and you can nominate, and most of them, they have been nominated on here. When you want to see the submitted ones, you can check around and see, and also start checking how are these images being taken. You can also see the purchased ones if you want to purchase most of these videos. Join the challenge and start earning money, $75 per image. Now the winner goes out with $75 per image. Is it really true that you'll be paid $75? That's what it's all about, and I know you want to see if you'll get paid all this. Now here are some of the challenges, the newest challenge that have been posted. You can see the first one, this one, 35 days, 5 days left, 5 days left, 35 days. Interior design, you can check around which ones can you do best. You can see the ones which are ending soon, the hot dogs and burgers. We have emojis in the world. We have home gardens, interior design, playing video games. So the close ones, and see, are you participating in any? You are not, because participants in any request or challenges get their requests uploaded here. You can check around and see, so you can find yourself with different points. Okay, this is the shooter, the advanced, expert, and elite, and become a pro when you go through all these stages. So the level to become a shooter, you have to get some of the best submit to paid photo requests and communicate with buyers and photographers. Be considered to our marketplace, a discoverable collection where you can earn more, earn points for achievements and level up, earn 70% requests and 50% in the marketplace. This is quite simple and you can do it. Let's see our manager position and see what's all about. Not yet. So we can come here to the settings and see the legal part of it, how it works, frequently asked questions. Go through the asked questions and get familiarized with the app itself. This is Snapwire, and if you find this video quite important to you, what you can do is go to the subscription button and click it right away and so you don't miss any video produced by Arnest Digits. So how does the Snapwire go through all this so you don't infringe their rights and some of the lay down regulations under this Snapwire? We want to see how do you get paid. Like, for example, if at all I had published most of my photos here, they could be here, the ones we link, following, and my followers. You can still edit you can still edit and save part of your profile and upload your photography, Instagram name, and even your website. That is the best way to engage and have your photos go viral to many more people.